This is Nessa. Nessa drinks tea, draws pictures, and often works in her tiny shed. Nessa can do cartwheels. Nessa cannot do cartwheels. Nessa likes photography and illustration, and likes to talk about those things. A lot. A lot. A lot. So very much. Nessa made this video with support of her patron friends. And it's free for the next 4 days as a way to share something they love with you.
I really like this session in particular because it basically all took place on this big platform. It's a great session because it shows a lot of variety in a very small space, just working with what we have. I literally stood on this platform for an hour, and other than the walk in and out, that is it.
While you go have a look at this video, Nessa will be practicing her cartwheels. Thank you for your time, and a very special thanks to her patrons.